Howdy folks, my name's Kev and this is my Honda Goldwing. The main reason I'm out here today is because of this little fella here, which is the Insta 360 1x2 camera. Some of you will have heard about this. This is a 360 camera, it films all around. I've already done a little bit of filming. I did one ride into this area on another video. I'll put the link to that video. So that was the first part of the ride. But today I'm going to be using it again with this stick, what they call a selfie stick. This is a 3-meter one and it has a clamp that you can clamp it anywhere on the bike, so I'm going to try a number of different places. I've also got one or two other things that I want to do, and we're going to continue the ride down the road here. Hopefully there's some nice things to see. There's one or two bridges to go across and perhaps a tunnel to go through. Hopefully I can get all that done today. I've got my little drone with me and I've got permission from some people down the road here, some farmers and other property owners down the road here, to do some filming from their property. So yeah, let's see how we go. I'll put the 360 on, try it in a few different places, and we'll see how it all comes out. So come along, enjoy the ride. Let's see what we can come up with.